Jesus is coming soon, morning or night or noon. Welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Can a beat in a man? Can a beat? Like my grandfather would have said still. Then if you could have got dash for your life so and just get up this morning and do yourself so, imagine what you would have done to me. Eh? Now, people, out of Jamaica, credible news source, it says they understand that 5 gunmen were shot dead as police personnel from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, CTOC, stopped a robbery in Negril Square, Westmoreland, on Friday morning. I was just right there so about a month ago. This is what I keep telling people. When I'm in Jamaica, I never see anything happen. Me never there which part the action there. Not that I want to be there, but as a person who spends most of my time abroad but travel to Jamaica a lot. You know, when I'm living abroad and I get the news like all these videos now coming out of Jamaica. This video is just disturbing because gunshot a beat, broad daylight, like, you know, me would have take for myself like Mr. Vegas say, follow the rhythm and take for yourself. Me da follow the gunshot and take for myself. Long time, you know. No joke thing. But I never see anything happen when I'm in Jamaica. So I'm always like, oh, Jamaica is so nice and so beautiful and so peaceful. I don't know what people is talking about. And every time, as soon as I leave an area, me hear them kind of report here. Now, according to this one, this is in Negril Square, you know, Westmoreland, Friday morning. This morning, it's understood that the gunmen were targeting a beryllium armored truck. Now, boy, it's important to have good friends around you, you know. And please, anybody who consider themselves to be a friend of mine or a good friend, please tell me say me are going like a big idiot if me ever suggest any stupidity. You mean to tell me, say, you see, 5-man lineup as 5 brethren, and out of the 5 of you, not one of you could have convinced the others to not do this, to not get up. And, you know, so them get up and go dash for them life in a bunch, you know. Them group up and go dead in a bunch. If you didn't make 1 man go by himself and 1 man dead, 4 people would have still been alive right now to say, boy, you see what happened to Jojo? Alright, sir, that means, sir, that's enough away. But you mean to tell me, say, 4 rounds put together couldn't make 1? And the 4 rounds go dash for your life 1 time? Look how much video me make where I tell you guys that these law enforcement officials are trained in a different way. Don't make your little brethren tell you about him can teach you how to run whole gun and how to do a shootout. Nothing no go so. When you get cornered by these trained officers, you're more than likely going to lose your life. Life can't that bad. Life cannot be that bad. You know, sir, if me did there Jamaica, me a suffer. Me go build one little boardhouse for a piece of capture land way up in a one hilltop, you know. Because nobody is not coming up there to survey the land and take it away from you. So me da go way up there so isolate myself away from society and plant up some whole heap of food up there, trees where me can eat. Me want orange juice, me squeeze fresh orange. Want grapefruit juice, me pick and squeeze fresh grapefruit. Grow 2 chicken, me want chicken, me kill one of my chicken them and fry it up and eat some fresh fried chicken. Go a river, go catch fish. And you know them kind of something there. Instead of picking up guns and thinking you are in a movie, and when gunshots beat like these, you coming back after you get shot. Mr. Man, it's understood that the gunmen were targeting a beryllium armored truck. They must have missed the word armored. If somebody is firing at you from inside of an armored vehicle, I I thought this was understandable by everybody, but me realize now so not everybody have sense. If they're firing at you from inside of an armored vehicle and you are firing back, you can't hit anybody but the vehicle you are traveling in. Your little Pro Box or Mark X or whatever you're driving, it's not armored. So gunshot are going to fly through it. And that is somebody firing at you from inside of an armored vehicle. It named armored truck for a reason. Beryllium, the amount of time them rob beryllium, me think the police start follow every beryllium vehicle now. So it would make sense to say, boy, me not try no beryllium vehicle. Me could try rob something else. If I rob, you go try rob. Now reports are that the police that were acting on intelligence, they intercepted multiple vehicles with several men aboard these multiple vehicles. Them plan this out like a movie, you know. Them plan it out like a movie. Two are going to this a carrier. Two are going to that the car there. Couple of we are going to this a carrier. We need 3 car. And then we are going to just drive up so and boom, bang, bang. And you are going to cut off the road over there, some dog. And then you are going to come around here so and we are going to raise up the machine, them man. Brother, life is not a movie. Life is, some people should not listen to all gun song because them start thinking that them can act out the words in the gun songs and actually have a normal life after that. Some people shouldn't watch action movie because them feel like them can go act out the bank robbery scene and the heist scene where they heist the armored trucks of money and go live normal life after that. We don't need to stop it, but they all laugh because we can't believe say a bagger man group up and go, one to my brother them man, brother, you better you go cook pot and run a boat and sit down and yam and play some music and vibes on yourself. And, oh God, man. Get a flask of rum and sitting. Bun some ganja or something and chill. Bill. Better days are coming. Nothing can make you this desperate. All when you broke a Jamaica, Jamaica nice, you know. The best thing in the world is your freedom. You can go down at the beach, go chuck off in the water, swim. You know what I'm saying? You're not going to be able to do that now from the world beyond, which part them send you gone. And I don't know which part you're gone because I've never been there before. And nobody dead never go there and come back, come tell me, say, how the other side stay. See? So I don't want to rush to get there because I don't know if anybody who went there and came back. And I know it says a one-way trip. Boy, acting on intelligence. That means, say, the police squad them don't know, say, we no plan this already. So they are acting on intelligence and they intercepted the multiple vehicles. The gunmen reportedly challenged the police, resulting in a shootout. Police have said stop them now and stop. Them thoughts fire gunshot, police are fire gunshot back. You see which part one of the car got itch up, way over in the water piece over there so. So a drone them did I got drone inside of the vehicle if police never kill them anyway. Hear this now. 6 firearms were seized. That means everybody have a gun. 6 firearms were seized. I can hear the people them now. I kill police, kill the 6 of them and plant 6 gun upon them. I saw. Yes, I can hear their mothers now. Me good son. My son not do them something. There is a hard working boy. Oh God. No police personnel were injured in the shootout, and the operation continues as local investigators and Marine police continue their search for additional evidence in what's going on. So, what it seems like to me, is them corner 6 of them, 5 of them dead, 1 survive. You see the one will survive. If him live to tell about this tale, I say, brother. If me and you, me pick up my Bible after this and me turn Pastor Blair. I don't want nothing else to do with this world. God make 5 of your brethren them get slapped right round you and you are the only one that survived. I'm going to say it again now that I'm ending this video. It's important to keep good people around you who can talk some sense into you when your head take you and you start think foolishness. All these brothers put together could not make one because them group up themselves together, figure dead together. Was it worth it? The answer is no. Listen, I'll catch you on the next video. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.